Yo, so this is another trade recap. Caught another dub today, even though I shouldn't have really been trading because it was bank holiday. Um, but yeah, price. My experience with bank holidays, price does move pretty well, predictably. Like it still reacts off the certain like confluences and stuff. It just moves a bit slower, as you can see how choppy this is. And yeah, I took two trades today, but only risked 0.5% on both. One of them lost and hit my full take profit. The other nearly hit my stop loss, and then hit my first TP. But I'm probably just going to close this now, to be fair, because yeah, because it's just like nothing's going to happen now. It's like 8 o'clock, and yeah, I don't really want to be holding overnight. So yeah, let's get it started with my bias. Definitely, we were in an uptrend, and by the time that market opened, prices were retraced into this fair value gap, and same thing on here, same thing on GU. Yeah, it went down to the hour. Same thing, swept out these 15-minute lows, I believe. Yeah, 15-minute lows as soon as market opened. Swept out the London session lows, which was just below it. Same thing here. Yeah, it's pretty much the exact same trade on both of them. I was just expecting a reversal off of this sweep of liquidity. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, after I saw that, went down to the 1 minute. Was yeah, looking at these highs, broke structure here. We just zoomed up, and I wanted a bit of a retracement into here, so I set my first limit order on this fair value gap. Then I saw that value gap get created, so I set it on that. Where was that before? So yeah, that's where my entry was, and yeah, got entered there, dipped down into some. Wait, which one did I enter first? I think I entered this one first, but it's again, it's the exact same trade. This one I entered off the order block, which is this thing here. So from here to here, I entered as soon as we entered that. Yeah, unfortunately, this stopped me out, used me as liquidity, and went all the way in my direction. There's not really much I can do to that. I'm just glad to see it, that my bias was right. And what else is there to say? Yeah, waited for a break structure, entered off of that, and that one stopped me out. Luckily, it was only a 0.5 position, and I entered this one as well. This was a little SMT here as well. So maybe I should have waited for more confirmation from SMT, and I could have actually entered again here after this sweep of liquidity, break a structure, enter this fair value gap, hit all my take profits. So yeah, this would have been the better trade to take a bit later. So like, what are we gonna say? So we saw the break structure there. Loki could have just entered off straight off of that, stops below this low, but then that's literally, how many pips is that? I can't actually see. Oh, here, two pips. That's a bit too low for me to set my stop loss. So maybe I would have gone a bit lower. Or yeah, once that goes up, could have entered after that broke structure. I could have entered off that fair value gap here, and that still would have been a decent trade. Not too much better than the first one, but you know, just seeing what I could have done instead of jumping into the trade straight away. Waited for an SMT, because that usually does happen on the 1 minute or 5 minute if price is gonna go in that direction anyway. So, but yeah, I'm happy that I hit my first TP, and we didn't even. Obviously, we closed around just a minute ago around there, so I think I must have been like point. Oh no, because we lost 0.5%, gained 0. Probably we're probably about break even for the day, to be fair. But you know, good to see that my bias and my confluences are working, and yeah, I'm trying to get this account up. Obviously, it's just a paper trading account. I'm down a little bit. It was started at 100k. I'm trying to get that up to like 110k before I even think of doing another funded account challenge. So yeah, hopefully by the end of this year, I'm starting to get in my groove. What is it now? It's May. So end of this year, I should be able to. I'm not. Maybe it is a bit ambitious to say that I'll be profitable until then, but you got to set these goals for yourself. If I don't make it there, that's cool. But if I do, then yeah, that's brilliant as well. So yeah, just got to keep at it every day, learning these markets, getting my experience in, and seeing what I did wrong and what I didn't do wrong. This was actually such a good trade. Imagine if I entered like off of this order block. Look how well it reacted off of it. That's a fucking. Even if we just go to my first take profit, 1 to 5. So like the proof is in the pudding. It does. These concepts do work. Like you can't tell me they don't. But it's just about finding the exact right place to enter and to use those confluences. They happen all the time. It's just about choosing the right ones, and yeah, that's what I'm learning. This is the skill of trading. And yeah, should be trading tomorrow. I haven't seen. I haven't looked at what's it called? What news is out? Yeah, no serious news tomorrow, so I should be trading tomorrow. Get another one of these out. What else can I say about this? Yeah, the only thing, the reason that this was like so choppy and slow is because it's a bank holiday. Maybe I shouldn't have traded on a bank holiday, but then again, I still think the market moves well even on a bank holiday. It just moves slower. But yeah, overall happy with this trade, happy with today, and yeah, not much else to say.